Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about percentage composition from the chapter 1 some basic concepts of chemistry class 11 chemistry. You see, when we consider a compound, there will be different elements present in it. For example, if we consider water, you see, it's a compound formed by the different elements hydrogen and oxygen. So, in which ratio are they present in this compound? Or what is the percentage of hydrogen present in water? Or what is the percentage of oxygen present in water? To know this, we can use the idea of percentage composition. See, it also helps us to check the purity of a sample by comparing the data with actual data of pure sample. See, let us consider an example of water. See, water contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So, what is the percentage composition of hydrogen element in this compound? Or what is the percentage composition of oxygen element in water? So, for that, you see, mass percentage of an element that is equal to mass of that element in the compound divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. You see, molar mass of water is 18.02 gram. So, to get the mass percent of hydrogen, mass of that element in the compound. So, mass of hydrogen in the compound. There are 2 hydrogen present in this water. So, 2 into mass of hydrogen is 1.008 gram. Okay, divided by molar mass of the compound, that is molar mass of water, which is 18.02 gram. Okay, into 100. When you do this calculation, you will get it as 11.18%. Okay, so this is a mass percent of, hydrogen in water. Okay, similarly, if you want to find out the mass percent of oxygen, mass of oxygen in water, only 1 oxygen is present in water, so 16 gram. Divided by molar mass of the compound means molar mass of water, which is 18.02 gram into 100. When you do this calculation, you will get it as 88.79%. So you see, this is the mass percentage of hydrogen in water. This is the mass percentage of oxygen in water. Okay. Now, let us see another example. What is the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in ethanol? Ethanol, its molecular formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. That is, there are 2 carbon, 5 plus 1, no, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Okay, molecular formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. So, there are 2 carbon. Okay, number of hydrogen atoms present in it is 5 plus 1, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Okay, now what about molecular mass of ethanol? Molecular mass of ethanol will be calculated by how? You see, there are 2 carbon atoms. So, 2 into, for 1 carbon, its mass is 12.01 U. So, for 2 carbons, it will be 2 into 12.01 U. Okay, plus 6 hydrogen. So, for 1 hydrogen, its mass is 1.008 U. So, for 6, it is into 6. Okay, plus 1 oxygen, that is 16 U. When you add all these, you will get the answer as 46.068 U. So, you see, molecular mass of ethanol is 46.068 U. U means a unified mass. Okay, now what about molar mass of ethanol? Molar mass of ethanol will be 46.068 gram. Okay, you see, molar mass in grams, that is numerically equal to molecular mass in U. So, molecular mass of ethanol in U is 46.068 U. So, molar mass of ethanol will be 46.068 gram. Molar mass in grams, that is numerically the number, numerically that will be equal to the molecular mass in U. So, number will be the same. Okay. Now, what about the mass percent of carbon? Mass percent of carbon will be what? See, mass percent is that is actually equal to mass of that element in the compound divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. So, mass percent of carbon will be what? Mass of carbon in the compound. So, you see there are 2 carbon in the compound. So, its mass is actually 2 into 12.01 gram divided by molar mass of the compound. Molar mass of ethanol is 46.068 gram into 100. While you do this calculation, you will get it as 52.14%. Okay, similarly, what about the mass percent of hydrogen? That will be equal to mass of hydrogen in the compound. Mass of hydrogen in the compound is 1.008 into 6 gram divided by molar mass of the compound, that is molar mass of ethanol, which is 46.068 gram into 100. While you do this calculation, you will get it as 13.13%. Okay, and what about the mass percent of oxygen? That will be equal to mass of oxygen in the compound, which is 16 gram divided by molar mass of the compound, that is molar mass of ethanol, which is 46.068 gram into 100. While you do this calculation, you will get it as 34.73%. Okay. So, I hope you got the idea of percentage composition. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.